So I got a text from one of my tenants saying that the furnace was only blowing cold air out of the vents. So a common problem. Figured it was just the flame sensor that needed to be cleaned. So first thing you want to do is take off the cover. Here's the size of the socket that I used to take off the screw. Next thing you want to do is you want to locate the flame sensor. So here's what it is. It's going to look different on a lot of different furnaces, but most importantly, you just want to find the sensor that is closest to the flame. So as you see here, it's like very, very dirty. And you never really want to let it get that dirty. So I'm going to clean it. So what I'm using is a wire brush. Recommend a wire brush. Make sure when you're taking it out also too that you are not touching the sensor with your hand. But as you see, I used the wire brush to get it cleaned off. Got off a lot of the the debris that was on there. I'm going to screw it back in. Just how I found it. Also recommend always taking a photo of things before you actually start unscrewing things. It just makes the process just that much easier when you go to put it back in. So I'm going to put the lid back on. And once I put the lid back on, I'm going to turn the furnace back on. Make sure you turn the furnace off before you actually service it. Didn't get a video of that, but turn the furnace off before you service it, and that is pretty much it. Another common problem is just the battery thermostats just needs to be changed. Also, make sure you're changing your furnace filter regularly. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.